Hey, it's Brock Patterson here, National Specialty Vehicle Manager at Reddick Brown Ford, America's #1 Ford Performance and Specialty Vehicle dealership. Right behind me is the beautiful Agate Black 2024 Shelby Super Baja F-250 truck. This is the 6.7 liter high output diesel engine. This thing is an animal. Now, for a full review, be sure to check out our YouTube channel. We've got a Rapid Red 2024 Shelby Super Baja F-250 full review that you can see all the content that's available on this truck. I wanted to showcase this in Agate Black. Is one of our fastest turning colors. It's most sought after. Black stripe on this 6.7 diesel lifted truck. Enjoy the video. Listen, thanks for watching our YouTube channel and this video. Our Shelby Super Baja trucks are on our Baja Blast special savings all throughout the summer here at Reddick Brown Ford. You can call me or text me 615-397-3331 or email me at pattersonbrock@gmail.com. Happy to answer any questions you've got. Be sure to check out all our content that we load daily on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks again for viewing.